Hey guys, it's Jarek with Michelle's, and today we pulled a bunch of the new dresses that we've gotten in that are prom ready. So we've done a lot of short formals, we've done a lot of Mother of the Bride and weddings lately, but now is the time to start looking for your prom dresses. So today we brought a slew of dresses that we've gotten in lately so that we can show them to you guys. So this first one is this really pretty peach pink shade, and the skirt of it has all of this really pretty floral detailing, and underneath this first layer it has a layer of lace. So it adds to that dimension of the skirt. It is a two-piece. The bodice here is like this really pretty pink satin. It is off the shoulder. Here's the back. It is a Sherry Hill size 00 and it is $360. So the next one we pulled here is this awesome bright hot pink with tons of stones all over the bodice. It does have the illusion right here down the middle, and then it does have decent sized straps. It does have pockets. This little bow is super cute on the front and middle there. And then it just has a really simple V neckline in the back and then a zipper back on the skirt. It is a Giovanni size 10 and it's $355. Alright, the next one here is absolutely stunning. I love this so much. It is this really pretty bright red with lace. It has like a more detailed like basic lace on the underside, and then it has like this really awesome lace like appliques on the bodice. So it does have kind of a V neckline with a modesty insert there, and then the straps have the little lace. It does have beading around the neckline here. There's the back of it. It is just a basic zipper back. It is a size 2. It's a Sherry Hill and it's $4.99. Alright, the next one, we've had one like this before and we are so excited to get it back and to have it again. It is this really awesome burgundy fabric with sparkles all over it. Has a really deep V neckline. The sides here have this illusion fabric, and then it is a V neckline in the back too. It does have a train. It's kind of heavy, so it's hard for me to hold it all the way up so you guys can see that train. It's not a super huge train, but it does have about a medium-sized train on the back, and it is just a basic zipper back. It is Giovanni. It retailed for $800. It's a size 10, and we have it for $4.99. Alright, the next one is about the same basic shape. It is this yellow. It is a V neckline in the front with the modesty insert here. It does have like this really nice satin like coloring to it where it's nice and shiny. The back is another V neckline in the back, and then it has an extra layer of fabric for the trumpet to kind of give it a little extra flow in the back there. It's about I'd say it's a small train, not quite as long as the maroon, but it is a train on the back here. It's super pretty, and especially if you're looking for that yellow color. It's a Giovanni size 2. It is brand new and it's $3.99. Next is this really cute light blue. It's going to be your Cinderella blue. It has, the skirt is tulle with tons of sparkles all over it, and then the bodice here is covered in clear stones, and then it does have a little bit of an illusion neckline on the top here. It is just really nice skinny straps. There's a little button in the back right here, and then a zipper back. It is a size 4 and we have it for $135. So this is a really great dress for a really great price. If you're on a budget this year for prom, this is still super stunning, has tons of beading and everything, all the sparkle that you could possibly want, but it is on the cheaper side, so it's really nice if you're on a budget. The next one I've got here is bright royal blue. Always a big fan favorite. This is like a nice flowy chiffon skirt. It is a two-piece. So the skirt here, that's what it looks like. It does have beading on the waistline there. The bodice is this nice, pretty like ivory with tons of clear stones all over it. So then here's the back of that skirt. And then let me flip this through so you can see the back of the bodice too. So that's the back of it. It does have this little cutout here. It is It's a size 0 for $3.60. All right, this next one is a really pretty bright royal blue satin. It does have pockets, just really nice and simple, and would be perfect if you added tons of awesome jewelry with it. And this is just a plain belt, so you could also grab one of our awesome belts and add to this to give it a little more bling if that's what you want. It does have a V neckline, and then the back is a V neckline with a zipper back. It is an Alice size 4, and we have it for $145. So that's another really great price for a really great dress. All right, this next one is this really awesome navy. It is a layered lace. There's 3 different layers of that beautiful lace, and the bodice is this really nice, pretty satin. There is a beading right here. It is a V neckline with a little modesty insert. The back of it is also a V neckline. This is a Sherry heel size 12 for $4.99. Just a couple more. This next one is a really nice basic black 2-piece. It is a fully beaded bodice right here, and then it does have the beading on the skirt. The skirt does have a small train on it, so that's always a good thing to keep in mind, and it does have a little bit of a back cutout for the bodice here. It is a Sherry heel size 0. It is a 2-piece, like I said, and it's $2.50. And then this last one, super stunning. It is this amazing gold with tons of detail. So it has sequins all over it, and then it has little patches of like this fabric, which is super cool. And then the sides of it here, underneath the arms, is that illusion fabric like the burgundy was. So there's that. And then the back and the front both are just the really nice basic high necklines, but it does have just a very small train right there in the back. So there's the back of it, tons of detailing, tons of sparkles, super pretty. It's a size 8 for $3.50. And then really quick, I want to show you guys some jewelry because we have tons and tons of jewelry. So no matter what dress you get, definitely check us out for jewelry because we have so many pretty different things. So this is a really pretty AB. They are $30. These royal blues are one of my absolute favorites, and these are $20. And then this really pretty rose gold pair are $25. So those are some really pretty ones. Let me show you a few more. Some greens, some pinks, some reds. Tons and tons of clear stones. As we have tons of it right now. These are $25. This pink pair, sorry, they look like this. They're really pretty, and these are just $15. This green pair are really cool because they have this really awesome AB like stone in the middle, but it's still green. These are $40. And then I have a red pair here. These are really, really pretty. And these are $24. Okay. And then one more thing I wanted to show you guys as far as jewelry is concerned is we have tons of sets, and our sets are sold together. So even if you like the earrings or if you like the necklace, we sell them together. And this in particular set is only $20, and they're just really nice and simple, blue stone with clear stones around it, little teardrops kind of. So we have tons of sets too, so if you want necklace and earrings together for your dress, that's also always an option here too. Make sure you can sign your dresses. Come see us and call us or message us if you ever have any questions, but you can also find a lot of the answers to our consignment questions on our consignment page on our website, so definitely go check that out and consign your dresses now because we've already today had girls coming in for prom, so definitely come consign your dresses and get these in here before girls all really start coming and looking, okay? Thank you guys. Bye.